Okay, so we are here. You can see at the sign there, it says Doi Muser Market, new market. Why it's new, I don't know, it might be co-located. But Doi, mountain, Muser is the people. Mountain people market, I guess you could probably say. Pretty good, but mostly just, you know, all vegetables and fruits and pretty much everyone you can find in a market is here. And it's pretty good. Let's take a walk. Huh? All different kinds of grapes. You got long ones, big ones, short ones, skinny ones, fat ones, lychee, and of course all the pork you can imagine. And anyway, feel it? Very good.
Get this one.
เอาไป150 บาทพี่สาว
150 บาท
ลูกเล็กๆกันนะ
Do not bring the alien to the park. And like most national parks, you're not allowed to bring your dog. But just like we did on the other one, we actually have a kennel. So, here, check it out. The Bunai will go in the kennel. He's like smelling it already. Like, hey, there's other dogs in here. See, dog cage. But he can hang out here until we are ready to pick him up after we go around the park. Check it all out. Boom. Am I? Alright, let's get back at it. Oh yeah. And of course there's no alcohol, but here this legend you can see we got Lansang Waterfall, that's 150 meters, Papuang Waterfall, Panoy Waterfall, Patay Waterfall, and of course your bird watching point up that hill. What a great time to visit a national park. This is awesome. That other waterfall all the way up in there. Awesome. Film here, Dot falling down the rocks. Oh yeah. High volume of water. I think that's 150 meters for this waterfall. You can actually swim in the pool there, no problem. That is allowed. Most of the pools and waterfalls you're allowed to swim in, so no problem. Ow! Already bit me. Alright. See if I can macro that. You can see here it says inform the staff before getting permission. Basically it's the danger part. It's actually got roped off now. Probably during COVID. It's also very steep all the way up. And do not scribble on the trees and rocks. There's actually a full-on restroom. Nice. Handicap toilet. Let's check it out. Nice. Very clean. Nice little mirror. Want some mushrooms?